Hello everybody, welcome back. Today I have a double feature for you. It's two padlocks from Burg Wächter from the Boccia line. They're dimple locks. Unfortunately, I don't have a key. I got them rather cheap. The model number is 450 and either 50 millimeters or 60 millimeters. Solid brass, quite hefty. The shackle is really thick on this one, right? So at first I thought I'd do just a video of one, but I wanted to show you the specialty of this one. So the keyway is rather wide open. I'll put it here, get you focused. Maybe we can rotate it a bit more like this. And then I take the seat tensioner from multi-pick. Fits right in there. Of course, with padlock you have to tension clockwise, and I'm using this, I don't know which flag it is, but just a straight flag from multi-pick. And then I can pick from the corner counterclockwise. And yeah, let's get started with the smaller one. This is the 50 millimeter version. Can't find a binder. Oh, there. Somewhere around 3 or so. Let's reset quickly. Sorry. Okay, 2 sets. Yeah, this is what I mean. With this lock, something must be broken because I just touched maybe 2 and 3 and it's open. So I didn't want to create a video on this, but I also wanted to show you this. I don't know, I tried to reset the pins, but it doesn't work somehow. So maybe it's just broken, I don't know. Not good, definitely. This one is the 60 millimeter version, and this is a bit better, hopefully. I can get it picked. Here we use a bit thicker tensioner because the keyway gives a bit more room. Let's turn it actually a bit right here. Again, tension clockwise. And yeah, start picking again with the same flag. I think 3 is binding. Got a click there. This is either 4 or 5. Ah yeah, by the way, it's a 6-pin lock. I can show you in a moment. But let's get this picked first. Pin 2 wants to be set now, I think. Yeah, got it. Pin 1 and got it open. So not a tough pick, but yeah, at least you have to touch more pins. But I don't know if all Boccia locks are like this, but rather simple. I think you could also shim this because, yeah, just a spring-loaded mechanism here. It has, with this one, it's nice that you can see the plugs where the pins hide behind. And I think it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pins, and then a core retaining pin. So, yeah. I guess that's all I have on these Boccia locks. They are not so cheap. I got these rather cheap because I bought it without a key. But I guess that's not a good idea for a normal user. But can I recommend them? I would say no, because they open so easily, especially this one. I don't know if you can rake them, but I hardly ever rake locks, so don't know. That's all for today. If you like this video, please subscribe, and yeah, hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.